In this lesson, we're going to be discussing composition of functions. We're going to be solving plenty questions on it. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends. So we're given this question: if f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus 3 and g of x is equals to 2x plus 4, we ask to determine f of g of x, and then we ask to determine again g f of x, then we ask to determine f g of 2, g f of 1, f of 2, and then g of 3. So we're going to be solving these questions using these two functions that we are provided with. So f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus 3, g of x is 2x plus 4. Let's find f g of x. So we have that f g of x is equals to, it means plugging in g of x into this f of x. So anywhere you see x, you plug in 2x plus 4. 3 multiplied by, now g of x is 2x plus 4. So we're going to have 2x plus 4 square, then plus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 4, then plus 3. So let's simplify this. We have that 3 multiplied by, now if we expand 2x plus 4, now 2x squared is equals to 4x squared, then we have 2 times 2x plus 4, which is equals to, plus 2 times 2x is 4x, 4x times 4 is equals to 16x, then plus 4 squared is equals to 16. So this is plus 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times 4 is plus 16, then we have plus 3. So this becomes 3 times 4x squared is equals to 12x squared, plus 3 times 16x, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is equals to, after this is equals to 48x, then plus 3 times 16 is 48. We have plus 8x plus 16 plus 3. Now this becomes 12x squared plus 48x plus 8x is equals to 56x, then plus, now 48 plus 16 plus 3 is going to be equals to 48 plus 16 plus 3. This is equals to 67. So this is the answer for f of g of x. So this is the answer. Now from this answer, we can evaluate f of g of 2 by just plugging in 2 into this expression. So f of g of 2 is equals to, we're going to plug in the value of 2 into this expression. So we have 2 squared plus 56 multiplied by 2 plus 67. Then this is equals to, if you plug in all of this in your calculator, we're going to get 12 into 2 squared plus 56 multiplied by 2 plus 67. So this is going to be equals to 227. So this is the value of f of g of 2. Now there's another way to solve this one. So let's try it. I know if we're going to get the same answer, but definitely we should get the same answer. Just a quick one. So since we asked to find f g of 2, no, this is g of 2. Let's first of all evaluate this g of 2. So this is our g of x. Let's plug in x equals to 2 into this function g of x is equal to 2x plus 4. So if you do that, our g of 2 will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4, which is equals to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So this is the value for g of 2. So let's now plug in the value of this g of 2, which is 8, into this f of x, because that is the interpretation of this question. So we have that f g of 2 now becomes, we have 3 multiplied by 8 square plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 3. Let's know if this will give us 227. So we have 3 multiplied by 8 square plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 3. This definitely gave us 227. So we are correct. Now these are just two ways you can solve this question. Now let's go ahead and find this one, which is g f of x. Now for g f of x, I like writing in white. So this will be equal to, now we're going to plug in the value of f of x into g of x. Alright, so we're going to have 2 multiplied by, you have 3x squared plus 4x plus 3. Alright, so we have plus 4. Now let's simplify this. 2 times 3x squared is going to be equals to 6x squared plus 2 times 4x is equals to 8x plus 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then we have plus 4. So we have 6x squared plus 8x plus 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So this is the expression for g f of x. So let's now find g f of 1 by just plugging in x is equals to 1 into this expression. So we have g f of 1 is equal to, we have 6 multiplied by 1 square plus 8 multiplied by 1 plus 10. So this is equals to 6 times 1 square is equals to 6 plus 8 times 1 is equals to 8 plus 10. And this is equals to 6 plus 8 is equals to 14 plus 10 is equals to 24. So this is the answer to this part of the question. We have done this, we have done this, we have done this, we have done this, right? So let's focus on f of 2 and g of 3. So let's find f of 2. So f of 2 simply equals to, we're going to plug in x is equals to 2 into this expression for f of x. So we have 3 multiplied by 2 square plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. So this is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 4 times 2 is equals to 8 plus 3. So this is equals to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 8 plus 3. Now this is equals to, we have 12 plus 8 plus 3. This is equals to 23. And this is the answer to this question. So we have gotten this. So let's focus on this now. We have to find g of 3. So we're going to plug in the value of x as 3 into this expression for g of x. So this is going to be equals to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6 plus 4, which is equals to 10. So this is the answer to this question. Let's solve the next set of questions. So we have if f of x is equals to 2x plus 1, and g of x is equals to 2 multiplied by x minus 2. We ask to evaluate the value of f g of half. Alright, now the easiest way for us to do this is to first of all find the value of g of half. Alright, if you find the value of g of half, we now plug in that value of g of half into f of x, and then that will be the easiest way for us to do it. So g of half is plugging in half into this expression for g of x. So we have 2 multiplied by half minus 2. Alright, so this becomes 2 times half is equals to 1 minus 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Now 1 minus 4 is equals to negative 3. Now let's go ahead and find f of g of half. Now we have that f of g of half is equal to, we're going to plug in negative 3 into this expression for f of x. So we have that 2 multiplied by negative 3 plus 1. So this will be equals to 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6, then plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is equals to minus 5. And so this is the answer to this question. So as you can see, the composition of functions is not a really difficult topic in mathematics. So if you have that f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2, and we have that g of x is equals to x minus 1. Let's find the value of x when f g of x is equals to 0. Now I want you to pause this video and try your best. I know if you get the answer, just give it your best. Alright, now if you are done, you unpause the video and watch the solution. So we're given f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2, and g of x equals to x minus 1. We're asked to find the value of x when f g of x is equals to 0. So this is g of x. Let's plug in the value of g of x into this expression for f of x. So we have that, so we have that f g of x is equals to, then let's plug in this x minus 1 into x squared minus 3x plus 1. So I have x minus 1 square minus 3 into x minus 1 plus 2. So this becomes, if you expand this, we're going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1, then minus 3 times x is 3x, minus 3x minus 1 is plus 3, then we have plus 2. Alright, and this is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3x is equals to minus 5x, then 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Now this is the expression for f g of x, but then we are asked that if this f g of x is equals to 0, we should find the value of x. So let's just equate this to 0. Alright, let's rewrite this question as x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So can this be factorized? I think yes. So find two numbers such that when you multiply them you get 6, and when you add them you get negative 5. And I guess those two numbers should be negative 2 and negative 3, because negative 2 times negative 3 is 6, minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. So let's factor it out. So it's going to be equals to x minus 2, x minus 3, and then this will be equals to 0. Alright, so by the time we solve this question, we have that x is equals to 2 or 3. So when this f g of x is equals to 0, the value of x are 2 or 3, or rather 2 and 3. So I think let's solve one more question before we call it a day on this topic. So we're given if g of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we ask to find the expression for g x plus 2 minus g x plus 1. Now we are going to plug in x plus 2 for x here first. So we have that g x plus 2 is equals to have x plus 2 square plus 2 into x plus 2 plus 1. So if we expand this, we're going to have x square plus 4x plus 4. Then if you fold this, you have 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. Now we have that this is equals to x square now plus 4x plus 2x is equals to 6x, and then 4 plus 4 is equals to 8, 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So let's call this equation 1, or rather expression 1. So let's now find the expression for g x plus 1. So let's plug in x plus 1 into this expression. So I have that g x plus 1 is equals to have x plus 1 square plus 2 into x plus 1 plus 1. If you expand this, we are going to have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then if you fold this, we have 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2. Then this is plus 1. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 2x is equals to 4x. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. And then let's call this expression II. So g x plus 2 minus g x plus 1 is going to be equals to expression I minus expression II. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus x squared plus 4x plus 4. This is going to be equals to x squared minus x squared is 0. Then 6x minus plus is minus. So 6x minus 4x is equals to 2x. And then 9 minus 4. That is minus times plus is minus. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. So I have that the final answer is equals to 2x plus 5. And so this is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends. That's the only way you can support me. Have a nice day.